Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Mallory Bell, and this is Consider It Cooked. I hope you guys are hungry, came with an empty stomach, because today I'm making Mexican enchiladas con queso. So come with me. For the sauce, we're gonna need 1 whole onion. We're gonna need some chile de árbol. We're gonna need chile de ancho or ancho chiles, a tomato, and my assistant forgot to get the garlic and the other chiles, so we're just gonna work with what we got. So this is what it is for the sauce. We're gonna take it to a boil real quick and then we're gonna blend it. When I started cooking, like making my own ingredients and stuff like that, probably when I was like 18. But when I had a passion for cooking was when I was in 7th grade. I was in home ec. I made cinnamon rolls by scratch and stuff, and they came out nasty as fuck. They came out nasty as fuck, but then I went home and I kept practicing and practicing, and I knew I had a passion for it, and my shit came out even way better than, you know, the ingredients they told me to put. Okay, so like I said earlier, you make sure you cook these until they get like pink or brown. We're gonna put 2 cups of water to the rice. Let me add 1 more. And then, you know, we're gonna put some tomato bouillon, and you put as much as you want, like to your liking. When I had my bag of hot Cheetos, I put some lemon in it. I thought I needed some extra razzle dazzle, so I ended up putting Tapatio, Valentina in it, shaking it up, put other chips in it, crush them up in there and eat it. Okay. And then we're gonna just put a lid on it and let it cook. Let me go ahead and just grab this. The tomato, the chiles. I think it just comes with it. Yeah. It just comes with it. You either like spicy stuff or you don't, you know, and shit, you gotta have a strong mouth for that, strong taste buds at that. The onion. And this is how you guys make your salsa. Mine's gonna be a little bit off, but it's still gonna taste good, y'all. I do try, I love salsas. Salsas I'll try, I don't, you know what I mean? But I'm still scared to try the 1 chip challenge. Then we're gonna get some of this water from here to blend it. Well, if I can describe myself as a Mexican dish, it would definitely be chicken enchiladas. Wow. Because I make it spicy, like I'm spicy all the way around. So the way I do it, when I'm making a lot of enchiladas, I put them in a bag, you know? So this is the way I do it. We just put them in the microwave, pop it in for like, I put it for a minute, but like 32 seconds, let it go. They're gonna get really soft. I'm gonna fry them a little bit in the oil. I'm gonna show you guys here in a bit, and then dip it in the sauce, put my little quesito on it, and we're ready to go. Throw that bad boy in there too. I don't know what kind of tortillas you guys prefer, but I like me the gold ones. I'm just trying to get the oil on it so that way it can stick with the salsa. We got the rice cooking already. It's already done, so. Bam. Yep. See, you know what I mean? Yeah. Can't tell me that doesn't look good. Look at that shit. Comida de Mallory Bell. Get you some. And there you guys have it. This is my Mexican enchiladas con queso plato with my Mexican rice, my ensalada, and you can't forget a chile torreado, drizzled with some Mexican cheese, some avocados, y sal crema. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys, and that was all for today's segment. You guys can go ahead and reach me on the official Mallory Bell, T-H-E-E, official Mallory Bell. If you guys are looking for booking services, I will come to your home and cook whatever you like.